Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest. If you're looking to enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest experience without constant interruptions, follow these simple steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look for the Saved section at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and then click on your profile icon, located at the top right corner. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage various settings. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This section is crucial as it allows you to control what alerts you receive from Pinterest. Scroll down until you see the category labeled Pins You Saved. Here, you'll find options related to comments and other notifications. Now, under the Pins You Saved category, look for the option labeled Comments. This is where you can manage notifications specifically for comments made on your saved pins. To disable these in-app notifications, simply click on the toggle switch next to Comments. When the toggle turns gray or moves to the left, that means notifications are successfully disabled. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to ensure that your new settings are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest. This small adjustment can help create a more focused and enjoyable browsing experience, allowing you to engage with content on your terms. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might also want a quieter Pinterest experience. Happy pinning!